everyone, hi, I'm Prapti and I hope you are doing fine and welcome back to a new vlog. In this video, you will only find me studying. Hopefully, I have my exams coming up next week, Monday say. So these are basically just the formative exams, 30 marks exams. But still there is like a huge portion which I need to cover. Jisme se I have studied somewhat but a lot is still left. So in this vlog, I'll take you around how I study, how I manage everything. So basically today is Wednesday. Today is 26th of February and it is around 9:30 of the raat ko. And I thought chalo let's start recording. Actually I did record Monday, Tuesday also thoda bahut. So first rolling those clips for you all.
Hi guys, good morning. It is a Monday today. It is 24th of February and from next week we have our formative one exams. So I'll just take you all along this week and see everything I do. I did make like a rough study plan for the week yesterday on Sunday, but I don't know how much of it I'll be able to finish. Let's hope for the best. And right now I'm going to college because pura week college hai except for Wednesday because Mahashivratri is on Wednesday, so we have a holiday that day. Till Saturday we have college, so we need to like use our time very effectively, and jo time beach mein milta hai we need to study. But for now, let's go college.
Look, touch up mode.
But I already look good. I don't need any touch up.
Look, you need touch up.
Show.
Look, it's all makeup.
No.
We have a living.
Stop. Why are we doing this? Looks.
Oh!
I need library. Why are we doing? Oh my god. WhatsApp में भी कितना सारा नाम है टास्क.
I am under the water.
Stop it. शट बंद कर. किधर है बंद करने का? बंद. Trying to study between the lectures. The break now, and then we were trying to study in between. Trying, I don't know about Vaishvi.
I'm also trying. I'm studying in my mind. It is
Okay.
going on.
Yeah, now we have another lecture, so we are going there.
Example.
Hi guys, I'm back from my college. I look so tired, but college was fine. I did manage to study passive movements and a little bit of massage today. So now we are going home. A lot of self-study sessions have to be done now, which we will be doing Garja ke. Let's go.
I have fruits here with me. I'll have my fruits now. And then also we have our diary here. I'll be making my to-do list because abhi aaj se I cannot afford to waste time because a lot of syllabus is left and I have to study a lot. Now we need to start working and less talking should be done. So let's get started.
So now we'll study from book written and उसमें से I'm doing the chapter 1 basics of physics. मतलब कि वो सब हमने नीट में पढ़ा है, but नीट में पढ़ा है but मुझे याद नहीं है, वो अलग बात है, whatever it is. But it is so sad, like after coming to medical college also I still have to study the physics part, but never mind. So let's see हम क्या क्या करते because next Monday is my exam. Okay, bye. So much of talking. Let's get started. Bye. Guys, today is a Tuesday. Today is a new day but the same routine. We are ready for college and now this is the kurti which I'm wearing today, and yeah, today also I have college till 4:30. Then I have to come home quickly and then start studying. I've asked my friend to leave and now I have to also leave. So let's go. Bag is packed. One last work and the most important work. We are in the library. Trying to get one book.
We are very. This is our week before exams and book
Yeah.
हमारा dedication book.
Trisha also has fruits. I also have
I have
fruits.
fruits every day.
Same. In the dissection hall, hi guys. We had an art lectures. Vaishnu, what is she doing? She's wearing her gloves. Hello guys. Tuesday, college day is done. It is around 6:11 right now, and I am so tired studying. So now we will just go out. I'm meeting my school friends today, and we are gonna play badminton. So let's go. Like थोड़ा तो guilt है कि saying, of course there is a little guilt that time will be wasted, but I feel I'll be in a good mood then because I'm meeting my school friends after a very long time. So yeah, let's go.
Now, basically, today morning I did study thoda sa, then I took a nap also in the afternoon. Then, like, it was studying also, it was thoda time pass also, but now it is 9:30. As I have taken a nap, of course, I won't be sleeping early. So now full-fledged smart study should be started. I have decided कि फुकट का हार्ड वर्क लाइक घटा मजूरी वाला स्टडी नहीं करना है, थोड़ा सा अच्छे से सोच के स्मार्ट वर्क प्रॉपर्ली वी हैव टू स्टडी so that we can cover the entire syllabus, get all the important questions done, and score decent marks. So basically I did manage to make like a small plan कि ये दिन में ये target cover होने चाहिए. So now we are gonna start with our work. I have my diary seeing this, and अभी few minutes पहले I just went नीचे to get this flip out from Vaishvi. So इसमें से we have to do like 4-5 chapters I guess. तो इसमें से मेरा एक chapter बचा है, बाकी के rest I have finished. First, this would be my first exam study vlog. I'm very excited, but I'm thoda sa nervous for my exams because first exams, no idea how it will be, and we have 30 marks, so theory and 50 marks practical. So practicals are like more important, but for now we are focusing on theory. Then we'll start about the practicals. So let's get started.
Guys, I did biomechanics, I did electrotherapy, Clayton a little, but अभी मुझे नींद आ रही है. It is around 12:20 right now, and now I'm very sleepy, so I'm thinking I should sleep. But थोड़े और tasks बचे हैं from my to-do list, so I want to do them also. So I'm very confused what I'm supposed to do. Whatever, now we are gonna, I am thinking कि I'll do थोड़ा सा massage. What I actually did in the previous week, chapter 1 and 2, I can revise a little. So let's do that. Also ये मेरी बहुत important book. It has like, I need to stick this with sellotape. ऐसा massage करके I'm gonna go to sleep because tomorrow I have to go to college. Left for college another day. I have made like a small to-do list which I'll finish while traveling to college during college hours and then traveling back. Like the things which I can do thoda passively can be done now. So yeah. Also today we have practicals of electrotherapy, then we have anatomy, and yeah, that's it.
Hi guys, I'm back from college. काफी time हो गया है, पर अभी it is around 8 o'clock and now we need to start studying. काफी time waste हो चुका है, but it's okay. Like college itself is so tiring. So after coming back home and getting back to studying is very difficult. But now we need to study because exams are coming up. Today's 27th February went so fast. I feel January was very slow and Feb just went very fast. Today is 27th, then we have 27, 28, first 2. 4 days में हमारी exam and a lot of things are left. So I do have like a task list in my mind which we need to anyhow finish, because if I start delaying tasks again, like I did Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and syllabus, and then the task which I'm supposed to do tomorrow will also start getting delayed. So it's better if I study right now, and I'm all motivated. I've filled my panika bottle to start studying. Okay, see you all.
Managed to do this PDF for therapeutic gymnasium. Done with this one task. Now I have to do a little of biomechanics. This is kinesiotherapy. So yeah. Friday and we are going to college. It's Saturday today. I woke up like 15 minutes ago. It is currently 8:30 in the morning. I was actually feeling very headache and everything, so I decided not to go to college today, and we will be studying properly today एकदम अच्छे से. So yeah, let's get started with the day.
Now I'm all freshened up, ready to start studying. I've filled my bottle panika. I have my to-do list book. This may firstly will make our to-do list for today. Main task is to finish as much as I can from electrotherapy till afternoon. And uske baad I'll start with logy and therapy. We have my Clayton, my electrotherapy notebook. I've also kept low end reads just in case I need it, but I don't think so I'll be studying anything from this. And yeah, I'll have my breakfast after some time. Fellow, let's start studying, get a grin. Also kept my PC on just in case I want to watch some video or anything, and I'll keep my phone on focus mode, keep it on time lapse, and now just get started with studying because only 2 days I left, Saturday and Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is our exams. Let's get started. See you all in
have been studying and now we are like I am going to Derasar. Shits. Hi guys, so I was studying and now for my lunch I have to go to Derasar. So I'm wearing my college ki kurti only. Let me show you all. And then I'm just going for some time. Hasti is also coming.
Papa, same lady one.
Yes, Hasti loves to copy me all the time. And then I'll wear this kurti only on Monday also because I'm just going for an hour or something and then I'll be back and I have to get back to studying.
Hello, so I'm back home. I also took a shower, changed, and feeling very nice. Also, I managed to make like these short notes for DMS, Diagnostic Muscle Stimulator, because I was finding it actually a little difficult to study from the PDF. So now next we have to finish Whirlpool, which is electrotherapy again, and Whirlpool करके I have to do home remedies. So mainly ये करना है. बाद में मेरा basic physics like Hi guys, what's up? It is currently around 8 पर मैं सोच रही हूँ अभी थोड़ी देर काइनेसियोलॉजी कर लूँ or should I do electrotherapy for some time? I think I'll do electrotherapy right now. I'm very tired. I just took a break also, but still after the break I'm just feeling more because I used my phone. I should have done something else. So it's fine. Now we are getting back to electrotherapy. I just think ये थोड़ा सा जो electromagnetic spectrum वाला part है, I'll finish this and then I'll do something else.
I'm very bored of doing electrotherapy now, so I've decided to chuck it. And we have basic biomechanics, so I'll be doing biomechanics right now. And thoda sa therapy. I don't think so I'll be able to do kinesiotherapy, so let's do logy. I'll revise thoda, then I'm sleeping. It is around 9:30 10. बस हो गया, electrotherapy मेरा ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. We did better and अभी actually electrotherapy a lot is left still. But we'll figure it out later. But right now our goal is to do this. I'm not thinking कि मेरा electrotherapy कैसे ख़त्म होगा. I have no छुट्टी in between the exams. But for now, let's do logic. Let's get started quickly. I want to do this and sleep. Last task of the day. Here we go. Tomorrow it's a Sunday. I'm done for today. I'll go off to sleep now. Okay, bye.
The next day.
Hi guys, it is Sunday today and I woke up little late than मैंने जो decide किया था, but it's okay. I washed my hair today and I'm feeling very fresh now. And today, the entire day, we are going to study kinesiotherapy because tomorrow is therapy की exam. So mainly we have 4 tasks to do: yoga, massage, therapeutic gymnasium, and movements. So मेरा also I don't think like anything extra needs to be done for therapy. जो हमें कंटेंट दिया है मैं वो अच्छे से पढ़ूंगी एंड एक बार सिर्फ past year papers के 10:30 it is very late that I'm starting to study. I decided I'll start studying by 9 but ठीक है. Studied for not more than 30 minutes and I feel very tired, so I'm taking an ice cream break. But अब मैं पढ़ूंगी. आराम से good. Woo! We have rice for lunch.
Only
हाय गाइस, तो अभी मैंने थेरेप्यूटिक जिम्नेशियम वाला चैप्टर किया बट नाउ आई एम लाइक बस तो नाउ आई बी डूइंग मसाज में लाइक वी आर गिवन थोड़े से क्वेश्चंस इंपॉर्टेंट वाले, सो आई एम गोना डू दोज क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट एंड देन आई विल बी डूइंग मूवमेंट्स मुझे आता है थोड़ा बहुत because the plan is supposed to finish massage अच्छे से. It is currently 5 in the evening, so I'm planning कि 7 बजे तक मसाज कर लूँ. 7 रात के टाइम 7 नहीं 7 तक करना ही है मसाज. Let's set deadlines, no? So we stay motivated and finish the task properly. So till 7 I need to finish massage everything, whatever I want to do in massage. And then till 8:39 I'll be doing movements and उसके बाद I'll just revise everything and stuff. So let's get started. I have massage के notes of a friend here, so वो reference करके थोड़ा सा I'll start में write also, so दिमाग में याद रहे and it is easier to revise tomorrow. And let's start. Hi guys, what's up? Right now it is around 10 o'clock. मेरा सब कुछ एक बार पढ़ के हो गया है for now, but I still like थोड़ा सा बाकी है. For example, there is a topic called introduction to yoga, तो उसमें से the end part pranayama is still left. Massage थोड़ा ठीक ठाक हुआ है, so I'm just thinking I'll sit down and revise everything. Keep all the study materials नजदीक. Today was a good day. मैंने अच्छे से पढ़ा. I did get distracted for a while. Like I feel 1-2 hours I was very blank, but उसके अलावा दिन अच्छा गया है. Tomorrow will be my first exam. I'm very excited, very nervous, but doing my last set of study session, revising everything, and then I feel that's it for this vlog, I guess, because उसके बाद I'll be actually revising and then going off to sleep as soon as possible. I'll be making another vlog as an exam vlog, my first exam vlog sort of, so you all can watch that. So for now, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this one. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, bye. I hope my exams go well. You all will come to know how my exams went in the next vlog, but पढ़ाई अच्छी की है. So I hope I have studied now, and I'll just put a time lapse and ending the vlog. See you all in a moment.